Hey guys, let me show you how to make baked feta pasta on a stovetop with canned tomatoes. This recipe is super easy. All you need to do is heat some olive oil, then add the minced garlic and saute it for about 30 seconds. Then after that, you're gonna add the Italian style canned tomatoes. Let that cook for a little bit, then add the dried oregano, dried basil, and black pepper to season it, and also some Italian seasoning. Then let it cook for a few minutes so the sauce can absorb all the flavors. This will take for about few minutes. And now you're ready to add the feta cheese. Drop some olive oil on top of it and some basil and also more black pepper. Then lower the temperature and let the cheese melt by stirring, or you can go ahead and cover the pan with the lid so the cheese can melt quicker. And keep stirring until you get a nice creamy sauce. This takes a little bit longer. You can also use grated feta cheese if that's what you have in hand. Then season it with salt. And now you can add the cooked pasta, whatever pasta you have in hand. I use Sauté pasta or farfalle. Then gently combine it until the pasta is coated with the sauce. Then add some pasta water, some parmesan cheese. Then combine everything and voila, it's done. It's super easy but delicious. The recipe is down in the description down below. And for more quick pasta recipes ideas, please click on the links below. Thank you so much for watching.